My dear sir, the power to disperse the men by force will depend on the legality or illegality of their meeting. If they drill with a view of fitting themselves to act against the king's troops, it is an overt act of treason. If they drill with no illegal view, it is no offence at all. The magistrate must not ascribe to it that character which he suspects to belong to it, but that which he can establish by evidence. And Lord Sidmouth presumes that the illegal purpose will scarcely in any case be proved to you by evidence. As he cannot advise you in any ordinary case to presume the illegality without proof, he fears that there will be few cases in which you will venture to use force. This advice will, of course, not be understood to apply to an extreme case where a magistrate may feel it incumbent upon him to act even without evidence and to rely upon Parliament for an indemnity. It is desirable that you should keep this delicate subject as much as possible to yourself. Your most faithfully, Hobhouse. My dear sir, so far from Lord Sidmouth disapproving of your having stepped beyond your province, he applauds your public spirit in all that you have done, and is obliged to you for it. At Manchester, a directing spirit is evidently wanted. When this want is supplied, they go on well. Lord Sidmouth wishes to leave entirely to your own discretion whether you shall be absent or present on the 9th. But it is fit that you should be informed that the magistrates appear to have been hasty in deciding from the advertisement on the illegality of the meeting on that day. And we know that the authors of the meeting are prepared to take advantage of any error of the magistrates on this head. When I wrote to you yesterday, I had not read the advertisement, but upon inspecting it, I found that it did not propose to elect a representative, but only to consider the question. I am therefore to dissuade the magistrates from treating the meeting as illegal in its commencement. If a riot ensues, that riot must be put down at all hazard, however it may have commenced. But the government would be very sorry that a riot should originate in an error on the part of the magistrates. Your most faithfully, Hobhouse.